Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. I am doing again some contact lenses review, this time from company MYEYEBB, which reached out to me and asked me if I would like to do a contact lenses review for them, and I am of course down for it. I have already in my eyes one pair, and this time I am going to try out 5 pairs of contact lenses. These are colored contact lenses and you can get them even with your prescription. I don't have any prescription, so I have everything with 0. They have really a huge assortment. They are actually online shop and you can choose really from lots of contact lenses. You can choose some natural looking contact lenses. They have also some more crazy contact lenses for Halloween or for parties or something like that. So I have mix of these. I have also some like crazy ones. I wanted to try those. Of course, I have also for you some discount codes. So with the Klara 20 you can get 20% off your order, and with the code Klara you buy 2 contacts and you get 2 for free. So that's pretty good. Yeah guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit a thumbs up, and let's just do that, I guess. I would like to show you this box. So this is the packaging for the simple change starting with your eyes. They also put the product first, the service first, and they are keeping improving. So that's the purpose of the company. MYEYEBB stands also for I wanna be better. So that's what says the website. Inside you will get some flyer which shows you some information how you should prepare your lenses to be used, and it says actually that you should soak your contact lenses in a solution for at least 6 hours before first use, which I did. Yeah, you should of course always have your hands clean and dry, and you need to put the contacts always the right side in your eyes. Of course you will see if they are not there the right side, because it's just slipping from your literally eyeball. Each contacts come in this box, and in these little cases I took them out yesterday evening, and I put them already in my solution here in this box, which also comes in the box. I prepared my lenses and then I put it back in the boxes so I know which color I'm using. Like this it looks after you put it in your solution. I'm just using some solution from my local drugstore. You have there also tweezers and this tool to put the lenses in it. I'm actually always using my fingers, so it's up to you what is more comfortable with you. These are the tweezers and this is the tool. So the first color which I have right now in my eyes is the color Urban Layer Blue, if I say it correct here. And this is really bright bluish color. It looks actually crazy amazing. I like it. Alright, so I'm going to take the first one out and we are going to see actually how my eye color looks like. So my eye color is like greenish and a little bit more darker, and this is really bright. I love it. I love the change. Alright, the next ones I'm going to try Anime Yandere Pink, if I say it correct, and these are the Anime contact lenses, which is something more crazy. It looks like this inside. They are pink with hearts. Like, please, let's just put them in. I am so excited. Don't forget to always clean your hands with the solution, and then like dry them a little bit with some kitchen paper, towel, something clean. This is actually going to be a little bit tricky because I'm going to attempt the heart like to sit there correctly, not upside down. So let's see how this goes. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That's so cool. It's a little bit like twisted, but oh wow. I must say I feel a little bit that it is dark there, so I see a little bit the dark, you know, edges, so I would definitely have to get used to it. I have them a little bit like twisted like this. I could like, you know, twist them a little bit. This one is already better. I think now it's more center. As a next, I want to try the color Meta Gray. I always wanted to try some gray lenses. Oh wow, that looks also so cool. I feel like it's like grayish bluish. This is very nice. What do you think, guys? I would say this is my favorite color. Another color which I'm going to try is Miracle Time Rose Red, and this is another like anime style. They are so big, you cannot really see, but let's put them in. That's how it looks. Also interesting. I feel like you can see the green color there. The place for the pupil here, I feel like it's too big. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I'm not sure. I feel like these are my least favorites because the cut of them, I don't like it, but I feel like that's just, you know, preference of style or what you are searching for. The last but not the least color is brownish color, which I'm also excited about. I have never tried brownish color before. This should be also like more natural style. This is how the lens looks. I really like this color. That's like, I feel like very natural. It's actually a little bit similar to my color, I would say. Let's pop in the second one. I feel like these makes my eyes like out more, even it's like similar color to mine's, but they are like making the eyes bigger, I would say. Alright guys, so that was all my 5 colored contact lenses. I had so much fun to try those. My favorite are like those natural looking ones because I feel they are more comfortable to wear, but of course these like extra ones for Halloween or party or some events are so cool. I will leave you the links below in the description, and yeah, you can use my codes Klara20 for 20% off and the code Klara for when you buy 2 you get 2 free. So that's pretty cool, and I hope this video was useful if you are looking for some, you know, contact lenses. If you are new here, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, comment below if you have any questions, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.